video for you. My name is Tony and today I'm looking at S&P 500 because it is confirmed support on the bottom of our huge falling channel and is starting to go up. It is started to go sideways for the last 2 weeks, which means something crazy is about to happen. But what will it be? Where will we be going? And what are these indicators talking about the S&P 500? Where will we go next? I want to talk about all that and more in this video, so let's get straight into the charts. Because, look at this. As you guys can see, S&P 500 has been going up ever since it confirmed support at this bottom of our channel. Now, S&P 500 has been in a pattern that has been falling down for a while now. This is our channel, but as you can see, this channel is a bullish channel because it could also be associated with something called a bull flag. That is a bullish pattern, which is a continuation pattern, meaning that we can continue to go up after we break to the upside. We don't always break to the upside, but we usually do with channels. That is why this indicator is pretty bullish, but as long as we're bouncing around inside, we will be having these up and down motions. That is what we have been happening ever since S&P 500 fell down from $4,800. We have been tapping the bottom, confirming support, tapping the top, having resistance, which is what we did recently. So right now, we were pumping all the way to the top of this channel when we just stopped. We didn't have this for a long time. As you can see, this stop right over here has been happening for about 2 weeks. It has not only been happening on S&P 500, but also on a bunch of things like Bitcoin, for example, where it has been actually going for a while, and a bunch of other cryptos. Because of this, everyone's becoming anxious, wondering where we're gonna go. This is a very not good thing, because when we have these consolidations, that means we're about to do a huge pump or dump. We will have a huge move somewhere. We don't know where we're gonna go, and that's the problem. Last time we did this was all the way back over here. It's almost the same exact thing. We were confirming support on the bottom of our channel, pumping up, and we just stopped. We went sideways, and you see that we fell down. Another version was right over here. We also went sideways for a little tiny bit after falling down once again. And could we be falling down again this time? That is a possibility. What does the RSI Stochastic RSI show about this? Well, you guys can see the RSI and Stochastic RSI are pretty high on the daily time frame. They were at about the same exact level when the same exact dump happened. We had the RSI in the middle and the Stochastic RSI on the top. And you guys can see that we dumped all the way back to this support line. That is why this is not a good idea. If we come down to the support line once again, then we will have to try to confirm support. And if we fail the support, then we will break out of this indicator. This is the only indicator that is keeping S&P 500 alive. So in order for us to stay alive and for S&P 500 to start pumping up again and to regain its bull market, we have to break above this channel and pump to the target, which is past the previous all-time high. But in order to break this channel, we have to, of course, reach it, and that will be impossible if we right now fall down. That is why it's important that we right now pump up, have a continuation pattern, go reach the top of the channel and break it. We have already confirmed resistance 2 times, and we have confirmed support 4 times, meaning that there's a more likely chance that we will break the support than break the top, because we have tapped the support so long. Every single time S&P 500 taps the support, it gets weaker, which is why it's important for us to break out sooner. But also, S&P 500 is a huge leading indicator. Bitcoin follows it, crypto follows it, and stocks follow it. That is why it's important for S&P 500 to show us the way to go. If we pump up right now, everything else will follow and also pump up. Everybody's becoming anxious and they might start to sell. That is why it's important for this consolidation to play out to the upside and for us to break above our channel. But for now, we will have to wait and see where it's going to go. If you guys see this huge pump up, then you can tell that we're going to be pumping to the top of the channel and we will test this resistance line. But if we start to fall down, we will have to test the bottom of the support level, which will have a huge chance of breaking below it. And if we break below this huge level, we will fail all of our support levels and have to fall down to a lower level, like about 3,700 or maybe even 3,577, which are huge support levels. And of course, that'll be a huge dump at about 12%. So watch S&P 500 because it's a huge leading indicator. See where it's gonna go. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this informative video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. Watch this sideways action. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!